Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. Now today's video, we got something a little different. It's a little hard to see, but if you look carefully in the zoomed in video, you can see a black spot running across the highway. This is a pedestrian running across 4 lanes of highway. Busy highway. This guy decided on a Saturday afternoon he was going to play in traffic. Now he made it. I don't think anybody got too close to him, but this is definitely not the place I would be wanting to be playing in traffic, because it is a high traffic area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. My 5-liter may be underpowered by comparison, but it is better on gas. Damn!
Yeah.
My 5-liter may be underpowered by comparison, but it is better on gas. Damn!
Yeah.
You saw it too?
Uh-huh.
That's how these people be getting hit out here.
And the sad part is they all think they're safe drivers.
That's talking about the idiot running across the damn highway.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah. Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.